Yeah, share screen. Just a minute.
But it's got to disable.
Hold on.
It's not going to share.
Okay, go ahead. Share it now.
Yes. All are here.
What is it?
You can see your screen.
Oh, no. I think it just did it.
Okay. So test condition is verify that the user have a valid account at Amazon.com website. Go down. Step 1. Why did you change to AG now, babe? I was looking for search. KD.
Oh, no. This is the different.
So I'm looking for Kindle.
Yeah.
Yeah, search. See search. KD search. No, the next one. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, go down. Step 1, navigate to Amazon.com and log into the. Go to the left. Go to left. We can see. Go to the left. Move your cursor left. No, the bar. Yeah, not that one. On the top bar. Top one. The big bar. You see the big line,
Yeah.
white bar. Move that on the left side. Yeah, move that on the left side. You're going right
Again.
side. Left side.
Again.
More. So navigate to Amazon.com and login button. User able to navigate to the site and click login. So to login. So you're providing the same thing. Okay, go down. What did you put more steps?
I
No,
did.
so you did not do anything. The steps is the first one as it is for login. Paul, you did it?
I believe I did. Let me see.
Share your screen.
Okay.
Third one. The search.
Yeah, like I add the search for Kindle app in the search box.
Navigate to the button, login with your account, valid username, password, user logged in. Search for the Kindle app in the search box. So these are search functionality, right?
Mm-hmm. There's the search for the product.
Yes, and then?
So this one was like that. And then the next one is the add to the
Yeah,
cart.
that we add one more.
Okay. Fourth one, add. .com, login to your account by entering will user ID, search for Kindle search box, add Kindle, required app to the cart. So that was a
Add to
adding
the cart.
purchase, right?
Mm-hmm. No, that was adding to the cart.
In the test scenarios, right? Okay, card, add to the cart.
Yeah. And then provide the payment information. So this one.
So this has functionality, and then this is a search one. Purchase functionality, right?
I did the search and I add to the cart and then payment information.
Yeah, we everyone did like that way. Add one more until 6.
Navigate to Amazon.com. Search for Kindle app, the search box, Kindle app appears. to cart, add it to the cart, click on place order. Page open means
So that's what I was not sure what should I write, because to put payment information, whenever we click on place order, then a new page will open.
yeah, so you have to write a payment information page opened
Okay, that's what I was gonna ask
and
you.
then provide payment information, required payment informations. Okay, let's go with these things. You can stop sharing. We'll go with this. Has it be opened?
What is
You
that?
can
I'm
stop.
sorry.
You can stop sharing.
I did. It's not
Did?
sharing anymore.
Okay.
I think it's just dealing something because I'm not sharing anymore. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not
Let
sharing.
me share. Has it be opened?
Yes, next
Are you able
day,
to follow?
not all, because I think next time I'm gonna open the Zoom meeting in my phone and work on my laptop.
Yeah. So basically, we are working on that requirement. We have it.
Okay.
So here it says like there is a Kindle app. The customer requirement is that there is a Kindle app that enables to ebook online download and buy them from Amazon Kindle. So we are going to, they give the functionalities, which are like one of the test scenarios: login functionality, search functionality, purchase functionality, payment functionality, and review and order functionality. Those are test scenario. Okay, that's what we have written here. Test scenario. We have given the
Okay.
test cases, a test scenario number KDTS 01, 02, 03, 04, like that. And these are the scenarios. Log into the website, search for the product, at the product card. We added this one for more because here we don't have it. It's given like
Yeah.
purchase functionality. So we just
Mm-hmm.
added this add to the card and payment. These two. So this is like one. So we divide it into two little chunk
Mm-hmm.
and then review the order, confirm the order. So once we purchase it, we do payment and review and order functionality. So for this one, we made these two as a one. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we made it 1, 2. These two is a 1, 3, and these two is a 1, 4. Just broke down in a little separate way. And that's what we created the test cases for the KD test case 1, which is a for this test scenario for logging to the website. What we need to do, we need to create two separate test cases. We more break it down this scenario in a little two more steps, which is like create a user account and then logging the user account with the user and password. That's what we are doing. Like here, we're creating here user account. So logging to the NKG user account, the details and some of the details where we created, right? In test case 02, we are doing that, we're logging. So navigate to the Amazon.com and click login button. We provided the username password and we can log in. That's what we did until two test cases, which we
Test case two.
completed.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Now we're going to do this one. Search the Kindle app. So for that, I'm going to open KD search test case 003. So you can see like the information you have is same as KD 002. So you need to just change it here. KD 003. You need to change the test description. And then this prerequisite is same. The user data is same. Right? And the test condition will be the same. The user should have the valid user password. Now we need to modify our test steps because it's a little bit different than what we did too. So we can go with navigate to the Amazon.com, logging to the website, and then search for the Kindle app, right? In that way we can go. Or we can go
So the user has already created the account and he was
Yes.
able to log in. After that,
Yeah.
this is the place where he's gonna search for the book, right?
Search for the yes.
Mhm.
So navigate to the website and
So user
you
is
can
already
say
logged in.
yeah, search for Kindle app.
Okay, step first is
I
okay.
can
So
do
he's
that.
in Amazon.
So
Mhm.
why I'm breaking down? I mean, either way you can do it. You can also put it login and then search for it. But I'm doing other way because I'm already saying that verify that user have valid account Amazon.com website
So he's already logged in.
and
Yeah.
logged in. So you can add that terms here so that you don't have to tell that user need to log in all these things. So, Holly,
Yeah, it's good.
Jafar. So either you can do it. If you want to do this way, you need to tweak little bit here. If you don't tweak it, then you have to provide all the details from beginning to end. So I omitted like 1 or 2 lines of the 2 steps by putting that there is user logged in already. And then, so what will be the expected result? User able to
Find the Kindle
search
app.
for the Kindle app, right?
Okay, yeah, search for the Kindle app. Yeah.
Kindle app. And expected, or you can write it, same thing. You can write same thing. Or you can write as expected. Right? And then provide, what is the next step we can do?
Are we adding or searching? Like now we
We're
have to add to the cart. Yeah.
We're searching now. We're still searching. This is the search function. Do we have anything to add?
If we are searching for that,
Any more steps we need to
No.
add?
No.
Toha, sure. Jafar,
No, we didn't do it anything. I don't think so.
So you are muted.
Toha, you're muted. Open your mic. Unmute it and then talk.
So we need to like put the user ID and password proper.
The prerequisite, we already have access to the Chrome browser. We already have the test data requirement
So
password.
then we don't need it.
Condition, we already given that verify the user have valid account and he logged in. So now we don't need to log in.
Anything else? Yes.
We just go to
Search
that
for the
site
product.
and search for the Kindle app, right?
Yes.
Any steps you are going to provide, how to search. So you can provide another step. What is it?
Which step? Because we already searched for the product and there was our test scenario. So we don't need any more, right?
You're sure? But
Yeah, because we already searched it. It's a search
yeah,
for the product.
yeah,
Because
but
the requirement is only searching for the product.
yeah, but but the steps here you can navigate to the swww.com and search for a Kindle app. Like as advanced user or who are like very advanced, they can understand like where to search. But what if that user is not from the IT and he's trying to see business, let's say business people, they're not from IT, then don't know their software.
Okay.
And he's trying to do the UT test and he's trying to go with your steps. He's gonna say where else should search.
Yeah, so we can go like a right on the corner, click on search box.
Yes,
and
so you have to
that.
provide that details,
Okay, details.
that familiarity to give that the user, any user can execute your steps.
Okay.
Not that you just provide for the advanced user who only know the things, the applications. So instead of navigate, search for the Kindle app, we can say navigate to the swww.com and
click on search box.
On
search box.
Search box or search bar. And then on search bar, provide the
Required
item
app
name, right?
information.
Or required item name or
Yeah, the
required
required
app
product
information.
information.
You can do that. So this one user able to
Click on the search box. Click on the search box.
open or you can say click anything, you can say open or click.
On the search box.
Click on the search box. And then it should be the same thing here, right? And then user able to provide necessary details. Here we are at on the search box, provide the item name or the so user able to provide necessary product details.
Okay.
Product details as expected. Now we don't need any more. We
Any
already given for novice or advanced user, they can understand where to search and what to search. Right?
So we can do both way.
Info, yeah, you can go both way. You can
I
write
like
the
the other one. Though it's detailed, but I like the other one.
Kindle app.
I think Hasip Bhai also need the test scenario template. I think he doesn't have that.
I send him.
Oh, you send him? Okay.
Yeah. So you can write it there. Open it, write it there.
No, you said
Item
whatever you
name.
send us, it was like test case, the format, like the test scenario template.
What do you mean test in a template? I just
Yeah,
send it
that
here.
one. Yeah, that one.
But you have all these things included.
No, not for us, for Hasip Bhai.
I send for all of you guys.
I didn't. Okay, so if you did, then he will be okay.
I just send it not for him only. I send it all of you. That's why I told you, you can open that file and you can write with me same thing.
Oh,
even though you have
everything
done
included. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
just need to
Mhm.
go on the test case scenario instead of
Mhm.
Kindle, change the KD. That's it. And here KD, these things are already changed. These changes. Only test scenario, go and change Kindle to KD. That's it. So in the third one, you can write with me. Jafar,
I think
hello?
he's not here.
Yes.
Are you following?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so you can write on the, you got the file, right? I sent the
Yeah,
email.
I get. Yeah.
It has
So you
everything.
can write the same thing. You guys have everything, you can write the same thing what I'm writing here. So this is done, these two steps for that. Everyone done here copying or?
No, I
Or
did not
maybe-
because I want to do the previous way. That's why I keep it. And if you want, I can make another one.
Okay. So is the test case 4. Oh, sorry, one.
Provide the payment information,
Information, yeah.
payment information. We already did that one, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Third.
search and add the product we did together. So
Yes.
let's go with the same functionality with the requirement instead of keeping that. For the simplicity, I just kept it. As per requirement, we have 5 functionalities and we'll have 5 of them. Okay?
So we make a 5, no 4,
Yeah,
no?
make a 5.
So you have a like 3 here. You delete the 3 one.
Sorry,
You have a
4.
1, 2, 4.
Yeah. Yeah, test case 5 because here we made it 2 of them. We
Yeah.
need these 2 of them, that's why. So it will be 5 here. 1, 2, hold on. No, 3, 4, right? And here, okay. Make this one 1. So it should be 2. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is one create and this is one login. You can do that one. Instead of 2,
So this Sunday is the new year. We don't have any class this Sunday. Am I right?
yes. We
Yeah,
don't
but
have-
regular schedule is not for this Sunday.
Yes.
So you're gonna be near?
This Sunday is my birthday.
Oh,
Mm.
happy birthday advance.
Thank you. No, I'll be at Columbus Sunday.
Oh, you'll be
Okay.
back. You'll be back.
We have a big party in home.
Oh, so now you're telling us.
Now, my birthday is always bigger birthday because New Year we make a good birthday. My wife take care of that.
Second 2, 1, 3. Okay, so I kept it same as that our test case and requirement.
Thank you. Don't confuse us.
If you guys don't want to write it, I'll send it.
Okay.
You just follow it. I'll send it if I,
Yeah, that's what I try to do.
because I think we'll be confusing right now, changing the name of that thing.
Yeah, will the mix and mess.
Yeah. So what I did actually, we had a 5 requirement here, 4 requirement functionalities,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
5 functionalities, right? Login, purchase, search, payment, and review. So it's a login, kept it
Login.
1, search, payment, why is 4? It should be 5. We did login, search, now to the purchase. Okay, purchase. Okay, so I had to add here 1.
3. One
What
more,
is
yeah.
this?
That purchase one.
Mhm.
Actually had to be 5, not like a 4, no?
Yes, it should be 5. Should be KD underscore TS purchase. So once search the product, you need to purchase it. 3,
3.
4, 5.
Yeah, we had a before 5, then we make a
Yeah.
6,
6.
then
Yeah.
again, yeah.
I have a quick question. So if like after the test case 2, search the product. So if there is like 100 of product comes, how do so don't we have to have another test case where they need to know how to navigate to the next page or to find the product they want?
Was that? If you want to
This
find
year,
more products,
I mean, yeah, they get into the Kindle lab. Now they
Mhm.
are typing in to search the product, and there are
Mhm.
multiple options. So do they know how to navigate to the pages to find the product or not? We
Yeah,
have to
so
test that.
yeah, so in add product in the cart, right? Once we do
Mhm.
that, there will say it if they want to purchase more product, go to the continue shopping button. You can add that on that step before they make the payment.
Like we need to continue that, like continue shopping, search for the another product, and then those
Yeah.
steps we have to repeat how many for the each product.
Yes. So it will be like okay, so I kept the function
Also,
like
we
purchase the product here at the
product
required
cart.
product in the cart, right?
Yes.
So now
Also,
then
we
You have
need
to
to
change
change
that.
that one to
Mhm.
which one?
3. Yeah, the one had not 2 is 3.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, instead
Also,
of adding, we need to purchase the product. I'll do later, and now I'll just follow.
Fine.
Yes,
Yeah, you
so
guys
right.
can follow. I'll send the file.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, instead of adding, so we need to do the purchase.
Yes.
Asiba, you had a question?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. So we are going login, search, purchase a product, provide the payment information, review the order. Right. The same thing we have when we have 5 functionalities. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're done with the 3. Now you're done with the 4. So it's KD. What are the functionality?
For a payment, provide the payment information.
Purchase the product, right? Oh, that's we
KD
did it, right?
search.
We purchased the product, right? No.
We did the search. I
We did the
think.
search on, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
We need to purchase the product. So this will be third. So the test case will be three. This should not be the card. It should be this should be purchase. And this should be our test case. Purchase, right? So here same thing you can do website and logged in, right?
Test condition. For the purchase or for the card? Yeah.
Yeah.
For the card, test condition should be like they were able to find the product.
Yeah, so
search
this
the
the
product.
same condition we're putting it instead of providing the same login, all these things, providing the same test condition that user have the user account and the user logged into the account, right?
And then be able to search it and find it, right?
Yes.
And then
So,
add it to the cart. Yeah.
yeah, so from here you can do these 2 steps maybe,
And then pass.
or you
Okay,
can
got it.
do these things, these 2 things here, and then you can provide the
Okay. Able to
now you can
separate.
provide the adding to the card, right?
Yeah.
So on search bar, provide the item name, Kindle app, or required product info. User able to provide necessary product details. And what you can say. On search bar, provide the item name, Kindle app,
Add to the cart.
and add to the card. Right?
Or able to click the button to add to the cart or something.
Yeah. Add to the card or add to the card. You can say by clicking card button. Right? Okay. Card button. So is able to provide necessary product details and add the product to the cart, right? As expected.
And pass. Okay.
What else next? What is the next step? Polly? What next step you can write? Any next steps?
Yeah, so we are providing the payment, so we add it. So
We are
Not
not providing
payment.
payment yet.
This is the products.
We are still purchasing. So
Yeah.
we purchase one Kindle app. Is there any other things you can think of that need to be provided to the user for their benefit? We discussed like 2 minutes back, right? That if the user want to buy more product, what he can do?
like click on continue shopping.
Okay. Want to purchase more
Another product, more product.
Or what else?
So what we are trying to do, we are trying to purchase more or just
Click on the
what is the
checkout
requirement?
button
Checkout button.
Checkout button. Okay.
for payment, right?
For purchasing, yeah, for payment, yeah.
That's it. So now we fulfill all the loopholes from beginning to until end of this functionality.
Okay, so just
Clear?
to
Therefore, clear?
I'm following.
User able to click continue
please work on your background
shopping
noise.
or checkout. Right? So user able to click on
Continue shopping.
continue shopping or checkout button. Can you who have a background sound? I think so. Since you are recording it, can you minimize the background sound? If you're not talking, just mute it. Thank you.
And also it distracts the class.
Yeah. So continue shopping button or checkout, right? So we
Yeah.
completed these things. There is no more steps we need to add, right?
Yeah.
So we will go to 4. Carry. What is the 4? Payment, right?
Yeah, provide payment.
I'm going to copy the same thing and just paste it here. So I'm going to change this from here to pay. And provide payment information. So what we can write? It's going to be same thing.
What did I write?
So the message payment
Provide the
information.
payment information.
So the description will be here. I'm going to keep the same thing for the locked in. And then where we can start from. So we can start from navigate to search, right? On search button, you can keep this thing also. Since we're saying it, go to the check in button of form, right? Now you can add the next steps for the payment, right? Everyone agree? Here, this payment functionality we are working right now. Because already we did it here.
Yeah.
This one is done. We added card here. You can see here all that information. And then there you see the button there. Provide for the checkout. So what we have here? Credit card, debit card, net banking, all this paper, all these things, right?
Yeah.
So you can say what is step? What is step you can write? You're in mute. You can't hear you, you're in mute.
User able to choose what type of payment method they want to select.
Closely, Toha? Polly?
It should be like a provide your payment information in the desired field, because it should be like either PayPal or credit card.
Debit, credit, or PayPal, any payment information.
Payment information page.
Open.
And user
Able to
Select.
able to provide
select and provide information. Yes, select and provide information.
necessary info.
Or payment method, no?
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. You can write many ways. So payment information page open and user able to, you can write it like select payment method by
By the user.
providing necessary information. You can do that also. So anyway, it's like logically you can write it. Not necessarily this way you write it. You can write it any way that logically it can prove that what you are saying is right. What will the user able to select
Select payment method and provide information.
payment method and provide payment info, right?
User able to.
So I can write as expected, or I can write the same thing. It will. So normally I do as expected. Anything else, Jafar? Any steps you can provide?
No, I don't think so.
No more? Toha? Do you need fifth step?
You are
Not in here.
Not in here? Okay. So still I think one step needed, right?
Yeah.
Hasib? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, they need to submit it, right? Over here.
Yes. So you need to click the button submit or continue. Something you need to submit, do it, right? You
Yeah.
just provide the information, and if you don't do anything, it's not going to go ahead on the next page. Right?
So submit the payment.
Here, of
Yeah.
course, you need to put submit or continue. Something will be there. So let's say submit
Hmm.
or continue, whatever you can want to call.
Or place order or something.
Yeah, or place order,
Yeah.
something will be there. Click on submit button for processing, let's say,
For the next
or
step.
order processing, right? Right?
Yeah.
User able to click submit
Button.
button. As expected. Now we completed this full.
There shouldn't be two more steps. Like if the information is incorrect, then go back and submit it again, and if it's
Oh,
correct,
no,
then
we
process.
don't need that, because
That's the
if it
negative
is
one.
information, if information is incorrect, it will give on there, and it's not given. The requirement doesn't say that, so we don't write that. If the requirement
so
say that, we'll write it. That negative test cases. So
oh, okay.
let's say we are not writing, because if any information is wrong, it will pop up itself there, down there in the red color, that it was not correct. Please provide information.
Mhm.
So we don't need to write it, because since that's why they didn't provide us to write that negative scenarios.
Okay. So
Is
we
it
are
clear?
only testing the functionality of the software over
Yes.
here. Okay.
Yes.
And just the
We are
positive.
testing functionality plus how the software is working. But the question you asked, that is not given in our requirement.
Requirement. It's not in our requirement.
It's
Okay.
not given a requirement because maybe that is not necessary. Because when you click, give the wrong information, credit card, wrong credit card, right?
Mhm.
It will
Mhm.
say your credit card is not matched. Please provide on that app itself. So you don't need to write that. Everyone can see that and you can provide that information. So you don't need to write that. But if you can want to write, you can write it, but that will make you more longer the steps.
Okay.
So these we done here. We don't need any more steps to do it here. And then we have what? We did the payment version here, review and order, right? So here we're gonna do review order. So review order. Right? So review your purchase order and confirm. That is our fifth one, right? KD review test case 0.5. So change this one, we change this one, we kept everything. We can keep, bring this one 5. Test it. Raju, what we need to do here? For this one. Jafar? what we need to do here for this last one? Where it says review your
Re-
purchase order.
Yeah, review or
Jafar?
Need to review, no?
Yeah, but what we need to keep? From steps 1 to 5, do we need to keep anything from here?
No.
Toha,
we can keep it, but we need to add one more button.
Step.
what we need to add?
Step.
What we need?
We have to click the review button for finalize the order.
So click on submit button for order processing, right?
Yeah.
User able to click submit button. Like what happened next?
Confirm the order.
Confirm
Click
the
on
order, yeah.
confirm order. Click on confirm button. Confirm order button.
So when you click the order processing or submit button on that order processing page, right? Payment page. It
Mhm.
Yeah.
opens a new page, right?
Yes.
So what
Then
we can
click,
write?
click the review.
But before clicking, what you need to do? There is a 2-step you need to add.
Yeah, payment. Click the payment in
You already click on submit button for order processing.
person. Yeah.
Then what next? When you do that, what happens next?
I need to
Now
review,
order submit. Submit the order.
review the orders.
Review,
Checkout.
review and check, like place
So,
your order. Confirm.
Review and submit.
new page opens with order
Review
information,
Oh.
right?
to review. Yeah, order information to review.
Payment details, right?
Mm-hmm.
That page will open, right? Whenever you click it, this page will open. And then you can review it and then you go and click the continue or finalize, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But you cannot click by after clicking that you cannot click that submit button or finalize button until you get that page.
Yes.
So a new page opens with order information and payment details. And click finalize button after reviewing the details, right? Correct?
Yeah.
User able to review
The orders.
order details with
Okay.
payment info and able to click the finalize button. What happened next? Oli, what happened next?
So new page open with the order confirmation.
We did it already. Is it done or do we need anything else?
Yeah, whenever we finalize, then another page open with the confirmation number. The
Okay.
last page.
So,
Yeah,
eh,
new page open with the order confirmation number.
open with
Order number.
order
Confirmation number.
number and there's a product detail, right? What you're buying.
Usually that page doesn't have the order details, just the
Yeah,
confirmation.
sometimes they provide the details.
Okay. Okay.
But you can write it, that's fine. Not gonna have it. So user able to see Confirmation. Number along with details. So that's it. The product is purchased because it will show you when the delivery date, when you're receiving the date, what address you receiving date, all these things. So our product is already purchased. Here. It's showing that arriving tomorrow when. See, order confirmation with all the details you will see there, right? Distributed order, you can see here when is arriving. All the information you'll see it here. So that's what we. The same thing, user news page open with confirmation number and product details. User able to see the confirmation number along with the details expected. So that's our 5 test cases and the steps with the test scenario and requirements. Now, the company who does not have those tools, the JIRA, ALM or RTC, all these things tools, they maintain in Excel sheet by this format. This is the standard format, writing the test cases and test scenarios, they do it. So some company will see they will not have any tools. They're simply using Excel sheet and writing the things like this. And some company will be using these tools, JIRA, ALM, all these things. So we are going to write or create the same thing what we have done here for this hands-on exercise. So we're going to create the test scenario, test cases, we're going to write the steps, we're going to create the project we already created, which is a name, Kindle app. When we installed, we did create the project, which is a Kindle app. Now we need to create the all these things. We need to create the issue type, whether it is a bug, what is the epic, or is the story, or the subtask or task. What are the workflows? What are the versions we are using? And these are like configuration you can configure it. So normally the administrator of the JIRA will configure for you and give you the appropriate rights so that you can work on it. But as we install the software JIRA as an administrator, we have already the rights to manage this configuration.
So it seems like it's more advanced than the Excel sheet, right?
Yes, because you have all the things here, right?
Yeah.
Everything is here. You have like issues, right? When you're trying to open your issue, my open issue, right now you don't see anything here because we haven't created any issues or any defect or any bugs. That's why it's like showing blank.
Or the
So if you
serial or the
yes, so if I click create here, right? It's saying create issue, right?
Yes.
Here you can see what you want to create. Use a story or task or bug or
bug.
whatever you want to create, you can create it, right? So let's say we are using what are you going to create?
Bug.
No. What is the exercise we did? What is the exercise we did?
Oh, okay.
See, these are the application consists of login to the website, search the product, purchase the required product, pay and review the order, right?
Yeah.
So these are the, as I said, is login to the website or search the product. These are the functionalities, right? Each of them are as separate functionalities of the application, right? This is also called a scenario. Scenario is nothing but is a broader explanation of the task. And test case is the specific to the action, what you are doing.
Okay, so it should be task then.
Like creating a user login, username and password. There is a test case specific to the user and password you are creating, nothing you are doing. But login functionality is not only you're creating a username password. You have to log in it. You have to do other things, right? So those are like broader area. That's why you can call login functionality a scenario, or you can call it is a you cannot call epic actually. Epic, okay. Yeah, you can call a scenario. But what is the epic and feature? So this logging functionality, purchase functionality, search functionality, payment functionality, review order functionality, right?
But
This
the
all
epic is
together can be a feature.
Yeah. The epic is kind of broader view, no?
Yes. So like review order, review payment, and review your order functionality. This together can be epic, and you can break these two into 2 or 3 different user
Task.
stories
Or
or
task.
task.
Yeah.
So are you getting it?
Yes.
So we can create user story, right?
Yeah.
Or we're going to create the epic. Or
No
we're going
user
to create the
story.
task. Definitely you're not doing bug.
Oh yeah.
Either we can create epic,
Because
task, or
Since
story.
you always say bug fixing, that's something in my
Yeah,
head.
but we are not testing it. We haven't found the bug yet. So we are not doing any bug.
Okay, yeah.
Right now we're creating the action items. What we are need to test it.
So task then,
So
no?
do we need to create this epic, task, or story? Polly?
So user story and user test scenario is the same, right?
No, I
Nope.
didn't say that.
No, I'm confused. That's why I didn't say that.
So,
You did say.
So user story and test case is similar. You can derive the test case from the user story. You can derive the user story from the test scenario. You can derive the test scenario from the epic or the features.
Okay.
You see that all the way down is the test case. All the way up is the feature or epic. Because those are very broader area, epic or feature. And then comes to test scenario, which is little less covered area from the epic or feature. Feature itself is like claim functionality is a feature of a application. The order functionality is a feature of application. The payment functionality is a feature of application because they have different payment system. You can pay with debit card, you pay with the credit card, you can pay with the PayPal, you can pay with the apps, right? So those itself can be a test user story or test cases. Smaller chunk than from the bigger chunk. So in that case, if we are seeing this one, logging functionality, what you are doing here?
Task.
Task.
So we can create a task.
Yeah.
But here, I'm saying sign in and create Amazon account. 2 functionality within 1 functionality. So do you think like this one task will be enough for these 2 things?
No, it's like
Then
the
it's
Apple
not.
did.
What we did here?
So it's
What
a
we did
feature.
here?
We did 2 under
Yeah,
1.
so we can create a epic. Right?
Epic. Yeah.
Epic or feature, yeah.
And write the epic name is a login functionality. So what is the summary?
Creating
What is
account and able to log in.
User able to
Create
create an
account.
Create and login account.
account and log into the website, right? That's the summary. That's the functionality I'm doing that it need able to create the user account and it also let you log into the website, right?
Yeah.
This is our summary of this epic, because these are 2-3 functionality together having it. Description, you can write the description what you're doing, or you can just leave it. And then priority. So here you have a highest, high, low, lowest. Now you have a priority and severity, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So what is the priority and what is the severity?
Should
So
be
priority,
high
like
or highest.
what we must do.
So priority is like how soon you will be
Doing.
or in required, right? And severity is how bigger issue is there. Whether it is a showstopper, system crash, any login issue, or the simple issues, all these things. Like based on that, you tell how severe your issue is, if it is the highest or medium or low. So here what we can say, the priority should be high
High. Mhm.
or highest.
Like I think it's highest because if you cannot create and log
If
on,
you cannot create and log in, you cannot do anything. So it
so
should be
anything, so
a
it should be highest.
topper
And
priority.
priority.
And severity should be also higher if you found any defect,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Hello? Oh, okay. Dukan, login karo. Okay. So we can do highest, and then we can click on create. So you're creating an issue, but issue type is the epic, right? And the project
Because
name is
there's
Kindle app.
multiple steps.
Yes, and the epic name is the login functionality. So you can see here, issue kin1 user able to create, that has been created. Now if you click on your open issues, so you'll see there is a one issue already opened. Right? You can see here, there is a one issue. Now you can see there is the issue we created and there is open, it's given the all the information here. Now you can do like assign to, these are unassigned, right?
Yeah.
If you click assign to me, it will be assigned to your name itself. See, it changes, right? But you can also assign to different people from the list. So why it's not showing here? Because
Don't have any one.
I haven't add any team
Names.
member within my JIRA system. That's why it's not showing me any option here. If it is there, then it will show you my team members name list and I can choose any of the name I want to assign for this work. And reporter, same thing. Team, if there is team member, you can choose it. And issues in Epic. So there is no issues, right? Descriptions. Here, you know what I thought before? The cucumber, writing in the cucumber. So the description can be given here like given. So remember? Given when
Cucumber.
and then, right? These are the
Oh, given when
Accept-
then.
Yes. I
acceptance
remember.
scenario, right?
Mm-hmm.
You should have the acceptance scenario at least here, the description there. This acceptance scenario, if that is the acceptable, then this test case will be passed. Without the acceptance scenario, you cannot pass the test cases. So there's the thing here, we're going to do it. So given what? Polly?
So given was like the user able to create account in the Amazon website.
No, given means who
Mhm.
gave that one. Am I right? Who assigned this?
So given user have
Yes,
valid
valid.
user account.
With login
Right.
ID and password.
User have valid user account in the Amazon website.
Is
Website.
our task name is create an account and log into the website. So
Yeah. I'm gonna explain it. And when user provide a valid
User ID.
username and password, then
User able to
user
log in.
able to
Logged in
log into the
account.
website or account.
Okay.
Now we're getting the points. So are you getting?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the acceptance criteria. We can write it here. So even the function is saying user able to create an account and log into the website. So that means the acceptance criteria is the user should have the valid account. Now, if you don't have account, you need to create it. Without that, you cannot log in it, right? So given that user have a user account. And then when you provide the valid password, then you can log into the system. That's this acceptance criteria is fulfilling my all these both.
you were talking
This
about
requirement,
Cucumber.
right? So the format given when then written is called as a cucumber language. The plain simple
Okay.
language is given when then statement.
So did you
So
cover
the
it?
business is like
previous-
on the software there is like two
Oh,
slide where the acceptance criteria is given,
Yeah.
and I explained there.
Okay.
So until this criteria match, this test case cannot be passed or accepted. So are clear now?
Yes.
Any confusion? So,
No, it's fine. Thank you.
okay, so at least you will have these things there written by the business analyst, all these things, description, the acceptance criteria for your
So,
purpose. So you can
but
understand like what you need to go and do it.
if given the user has a valid account in the Amazon website, if not, then what? We don't have to explain that over here.
No.
Okay.
Then you have to create it because the functionality is saying what you have to do.
Yes. So and we
Functionality
don't
is
have to
saying if you don't have, you have to create it. And that's what we
create
did it.
account,
We did it here.
and we don't have to test that part, like create a new account, how it
We'll
happens.
test it. We'll test it. Here we did create a user account, user details, and something.
Okay.
KD create test case 1 and KD login
Create.
test case 1.
Okay.
We did two of them. Logging scenario, we created two test cases.
Mhm.
We created two test cases
Got
and
it.
we did it. But
Got it.
in here, we given already user able to create an account and log in.
Okay. Okay.
But we are not testing these things. This is our acceptance. We're
Okay.
not testing these things.
Got it.
Because under this, we need to test all these things, this test case, this test, we need to test it.
Okay.
But your description should be given there as acceptance criteria, what is acceptable to test these
Okay.
things.
Given one then. Okay.
And then if there is any issues in Epic, like, so there is no issues in Epic, it's showing. But if you want to edit, now you can edit. So what I'm going to edit now? I'm going to now do the user story, which is test case. What is my test case? Create a
New account in
New
Amazon
account,
Merchant. Okay.
right? What will my given one then?
Given that a user able to provide accurate information
What is
or
given?
navigate to the Amazon website.
user able to provide the information needed to create account? No.
Given means provide the proper ID and password.
No, that's when.
No. So in Epic, we already given, they tell that given if the user has a valid account, and when user provide the username and password, and then he can log into the website. Right. There is
Okay.
our Epic's acceptance criteria. Under that Epic, we are now dividing the user story and linking with that Epic. So here, what the criteria should be given.
I think I know that then the account has been created, but I don't know which one is given.
Yeah. So given
That
user should have the same thing. Users
user was able to
have
click
the
the user
valid,
button.
no, valid account, right? Account in
Account in-
Amazon, right? Website.
Is it
And when?
is this one creating a new account or logging in?
Which one? This is we're creating a new account.
Okay.
Sorry. Account. When? Yeah. When user provide valid username and valid password to be given here. This should not be there. Given it should be user have access to the internet, right? Because here we are going to create the username and password, valid account. So given it cannot be a username, valid
So
account.
that's why it
So
should be
given
like navigate the website, right? Like access
user
internet.
have access to the internet. That is the given. You need to have the access to the internet, right? And when the user provides valid username password to create account, and then a new user account has been created. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt?
Okay, so what exactly for any test cases, what do we need to read under given, when, and then?
That's the
What is
main
that?
point, but there is acceptance, like that is what you need to do. So if you're going to do any test cases, given means you need to see you have the test data, you have the access or not.
Shouldn't be the given user have access to internet and navigate to the website? Because if he has internet but he doesn't know how to navigate to the website, it's not working, right?
Yeah, I mean, this condition, you can write that also, same condition what we had here.
like navigate to it. So
Here, navigate to Amazon.com. Same thing, and write it here. So if you want to write it for your private user, have a access to internet and able to navigate to the Amazon website. You can write this too. Fine. Either way. So here the given has changed, whereas when we created the epic, the given was different. Right? And then when the user provide the valid user and valid password to create the account, and then the new user account has been created. Right? Successfully. So what is the priority here? High. Because the epics we kept the highest priority. Under the epic, one of the issues, those are high priority.
okay.
And then if you click this one, create another, and click create, it will give you to create another story itself. You don't need to go and open it again, right? So here, what are you going to create? We're going to create the second one, right? This one.
Yes.
So this one will be here, login to the Amazon system, and then given when then Polly, tell me what will be given, what will be there. Toa, tell me what will be when, one by one. Polly, tell me what is given here.
So the given
Log into
shouldn't
the
be like,
Amazon website.
so user have valid ID and password.
Users have valid what?
ID and user ID and password. No.
Valid account.
Yes.
Okay.
Anything else?
Not in here.
Amazon website.
Toa, what is when?
When you provide the
Hmm?
when you provide the user ID and password proper, provide the ID and password.
Jafar, what is then? Jafar, what is then? Jafar Ahmed? Hasib, what is then?
Able to log in.
Yeah.
Right? Then? Done. Oh, check this one. Check it. So you can see the mark, the blue that's showing epic, right?
Mhm.
And the green is showing the user stories.
Story.
So under this epic, we have a two user
Two
stories.
student.
And then you can have all these things like if you are anyone commenting. So here you can see like this is created Just now, this was created 3 minutes back. This was created 12 minutes back. So all the information you will see here, whatever you are doing with it. And if there any comment anyone providing, then like if I say, if I'm saying adding comment, you can see in the comment section that is added. Work log, if you're
Do
working.
you always have to add some comments or you don't have to?
No, not always, because if I'm not understanding the thing, maybe I'm asking some question by adding comment, and some team member maybe they are giving me answers, clarifying these things by putting the comments. So I can read it and I can understand what's going on and I can work on it.
Hmm.
And work log, since there is no work has been started, so it is showing that it has not any issue has been logged. And then you can see the history, whatever happened, all the comment, work log, all these things together, you'll see the history, and then in activity, you will see if there is an activity performed. See, all these things. Activity has been performed there. We created all these things. Totally clear?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so resolution, you guys saw the unresolved, right? This is still unresolved because we haven't worked on these things. And the scenario has not been tested yet, not has been passed. So this is showing unresolved. Once it is done, then it can be marked as a resolved or completed. So from here, you can do like, you can link it, you can clone it, you can label it, you can delete the things, you can archive these things, all things you can do it here. And from here, you can assign whether you are doing it, you are going to do it, or it is in progress, or it is done. So there is your workflow, right? The workflow is to do, in progress, and done. So if you want to, this is unresolved, if you want to do it in progress, then it is showing in progress. It is showing in progress, right? If you're putting it to do, means it's not started yet. It's still in the backlog and you'll be doing it. And if you put it done, then it will show done. And the resolution changed to now done. Now is not anymore unresolved. Clear, guys? Once you
Yes.
test it, then you can come in here and change these things. But normally, user will not have these permissions to do it. These are Scrum Master jobs, or project manager will do these things once they go through. Like once you guys test it, we have to provide the demo to the broader audience that how you did these things and the result is right. And then the Scrum Master project comes and complete this task. So as a tester, you're not able to do all these things what I'm showing you guys.
So
But some of
as a
these things you
test,
can do it. Yes.
so as a tester, our job is to make sure that the software or the app is test every aspect of it and make log all our findings and
All
put
the
it in.
defects, findings, yes.
Yeah, and we don't have to fix anything. We just have to find out and test
You have
everything.
to find the things and the development will be fixed. So those questions you're asking, those once you go through my recording, it's given
Mhm.
there like how the development process goes through, what they do, how they do, who does what, who does what. Those are the
Okay.
things they are covered. So yeah, normally those developer will be fixing those things. Once they fix it, you need to test it again to see whether the fix has been completed or not. So those are the Excel sheet we did it. Here we are doing the same way, right? Now if you click here, you can see this is epic link. It's showing epic link means it has an epic and it is a link. So as I said yesterday, parent child, right? This epic is a parent and this user story is the child of that epic. So it's a parent and child relationship. So that's why when you click this one, it's showing epic link. But if you're showing here, it's showing epic name. It doesn't showing anything linked because it is a parent. So child will be shown as a link to the parent. Okay. If you click done issues, you'll see one, right? Because we already marked as a done. That's why it's showing as a done. So we are seeing only 2 open issues. So until this, which one we close it? We close it, the epic itself. Okay, see. So done issues, it should not show anything, right? So now, if you go to here, so until you complete these 2 functionalities, you cannot close this epic. You have to complete these 2 functionalities and then you can close this epic. Because this epic contains these 2 user stories under that. Clear? You guys have any questions? Polly?
No, I think for now it's good. So whenever we do more,
Yeah. So from here, you see we have a 1 project. From here, you can mark whatever the things you want to add. Status, what you want to see the status. If you click, these are filters. If you click this, it will show only in progress issues. If you mark done, it will show only done issues. So those are the filters. From more here, you can see you can do the comment, link, label, all these things. Okay. Okay, I'll stop here for today. You guys can go ahead and do these things on your JIRA. You guys able to do it?
Should I just download the JIRA software and
Yeah,
then...
yeah. I'll sit down with you also complete
Okay.
this. So
Okay.
Polly, Toha, and Jafar, guys can go and create these 3 things.
I think so.
Yeah. I mean, is it the homework or because I don't have no power, so I don't.
You don't have any power? Where is the power cord?
No, I'm talking about the electric went out.
You have electric. Oh, the whole area?
Yeah, one side I didn't know what happened. It just
Oh, I
it was
see.
a big noise and it went off, went out.
You guys can do it now, and in the meantime, Hasib can install that JIRA. Let me hold on a second.
So can I do it as a homework because I cannot type anything? I don't have no.
Yeah, you can do it the homework. Others, you guys have a time, you can do it right now, so I can show you if you have an issue. Hasib, hold on, I'm gonna give you that thing.